watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. So today I'm revealing another wig, and this wig is from Ashimary Hair. It's deep loose wave. It's showing black here, but the wig color is not black. It's kind of brownish color. It's not black that is showing. You guys are saying pardon that. I don't know why the camera is doing that. And also it's 5x5 lace wig. One thing about this hair is glueless. The lace is glueless. You just wear this, you don't need to glue this down. So the length is 22 inches and is wavy. Like I said, is loose deep wave. So I'm going to leave the link to the unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. The hair is tangle free. It came with some combs, adjustable strap, and you can see the lace. You can do this center part, corner part, whichever way you want to install this wig. Okay, so if you're interested, check the description box. I'm going to leave all the details about this wig, their website, everything will be on the description box. You know me and my 4x4 or 5x5 lace, I love them so much because you don't waste time, especially if you are that type that is not much into hair installation, that you don't like wasting time. This is very perfect for you because it's 5x5. You don't need to waste a lot of time, and I am in for that. Okay, you guys know I am in for those wigs you just snatch on and you're good to go. All right, so with further being ado, let's head into this hair tutorial. So first thing, I have my cap wig on. So this is the wig on. You can see it, the lace is on it. They did not block the hairline, so you can do that. I just want to show you that even if you don't block the hairline, you can wear this wig. So I want to do a center part.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town.
You guys know I love center. I love my center. And one thing, the lace, you can see the lace, the color is brown because they pre-dyed the knots. All right, and that's good, especially if you're like me that is lazy to bleach your knots. This is perfect. It's really perfect. So I'm going for a center part, and you can see it's long. The part will be as long as this. So you can see, I like it that the knots came bleached. Save you from stress. Save you from stress. A lot of stress.
OD, I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to leave the details of this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. The hair is from Ashimary and is a deep loose wave 5x5 lace wig. Okay guys, please, before you go, if you like it here, subscribe if you haven't and hit on that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need